Okay guys, so this is my Rheem air conditioner. I've had it for a little bit. Classic X. Rheem Classic X. There's the inside. It's got a ton of sawdust on it because there's saws right there. Here's a capacitor for it. It's not charged, I believe. Let's put that there. Gotta get it off. I can set you guys down for a minute. Okay, so I don't know when it's from. This is the data sheet. Please tell me in the comments if you know. I think it's got a open reciprocating compressor. But yeah, it's got a open reciprocating compressor. And here's the control box. Here's the little startup thingy. Here's the capacitor. And there's the compressor. That's the fan. But yeah, just wanted to show my Rheem Classic X. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.